say me better. NPP for we couldn't fight galamsey because majority of executives in no me galamsey. And also woman control a woman platform. Misro home. Then I'm go country ni sa. Yeah, more be blame obi. Me better. Me better said the other. Me say me call election. Me say me lose. And I really don't care. But I'm not going to work for NPP. That means I will have a 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. And now let me talk. I mean, my parents said, Mimi Abronye and Kojo platforms in your campaign. Mimi Attachia and Kojo platforms in your campaign. Mimi Adrastapo and Kojo platforms in your campaign. Mimi Mensa and Kojo platforms in your campaign. Mimi KOKA and Kojo platforms in your campaign. You don't put out next year, you see what will happen in this country. You think I'm afraid of you guys? I am not afraid of anybody. I've decided to keep quiet. But if you push me to the wall, you will see some power. Please. Nobody can scare me in this country. Nobody. Better. Oh, God, you know how much propaganda. More station on them here. Said Parliamentary Select Committee on Health. Ranking member, I can some cry and Kura and you ho. What's now 8 years ago? Well, who's in Kura? About I didn't do a moment here, Canada. What's now 8 years? Well, who's in Kura? And now will be about 15 months ago. Who called you in Kura? My Ghana, you that the youth of this country, a day will come, they will rise against us. One here, a near my basic Ghana. If you see what Tunisia are only a thing, it will be a politician now, peace out here when you scar Moncoso. Now, me a bitter. This time, Obia better tell me, I'm a Bediatuo. What do you mean? Abronye, who is it? Abronye, me? The man is come and correct campaign. Or say, Bawumia, Ekofa, Sammy, I'm not the true, which I say, I'm the man. The man car first. And you know what choosing I no so was station. Mashada Mighty. Me say from June 2027, NPP for no action in Ghana, you will be surprised. Media. The more person Ghana ye. Some more my young can correct. The Bawumia Campaign. Now see Bawumia Campaign. Over then I will pray what I say. Ghana. Ye. A campaign first with big. Now, me are disappointed in the army of Abnasapo. Say, Mimikwa. Or no, a chairman. Or no, a chairman. Omu sanity will say the Bena or the Parliamentary Select Committee on Defense and Interior. A Kyei. Now, Uncle checking in minutes. Say, she a friend beside or car say. Almost I at 85%. Then I hear Kowa, my uncle. See, Minia, Asana Abba, NDC for mistake, NPP for mistake. A Ghana, and you did not to a parcel, and you who. Yeah, the only pa, Omo Yari. Yeah, Minka, Obi says, you didn't call China. The refer will be or India. And to see a year. You have call India and now China. Say, Yabian to war. And I will say, oh, more dainty, put me cut in Opibia. May MPP for them be better. Men can be the answer. Now, Omufi said, Niomo Yano, our campaign. They can't shut me down. Ghana for person here. When we say agenda 111, I'm to be completely back Ukraine. I'm ton contract, I demand other people at 10%. Ghana, me say again, NPP for they should be careful with me. So maybe you're better. Only a mess beans all over the place. Now, man, I can't say, me my president, maybe free me sight, never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not NPP. Agenda 111, Mumisa Wom, Sabako Krom Ria. They sold obiti contract now wakoton watching 10%. Anybody to me we are moving about the criticize NDC for me and we're being so day contract Abraham said onye now on 11%, $55 million or per 11%. And you on pure advance 7% and start home the amount. Masa, Ghana, Ghana, politicians, we are deceiving the general public. And we'll be entering Kamanuntu. My jeans everything Mensa, you know. We'll be entering scared about this country. So long as I live, Nami Ghana ni, Nami Tukwai, Nami Musani and Kofo, building Womukura. Me ma Odia scare me, Ghana. I'm not afraid of anybody. I will only speak the truth. And so I'm promising you to Mabu Budin agenda 1 year, I won't perform. Please, I am Ghana. And then, movie, I'm sorry, Bamuko Hospital, baby. We have to be fair to Ghanaians. And obviously, we are better. Now, what do I mean? Who can say we are better? Who will be? Who will be? Now, what I catch yourself president, big one. Why in the catch yourself president in Kwa? Everybody, we are more sorry, I'm more quiet, la sulala. I'm more begging businessmen for Sika. Come and see the people that are coming to me. Mina officer, me a better. Opposition, who is talking? Who is talking? Because I think the word to bring in Amoto. Kasa says here, Yababa the fall. Who is defending NPP? I've been quiet. But Obia to me and Kamikasa Boa and show. Mashada my 18. But Obia Pawanya documents I'm remember out. Rather catch them say, be me a bitter.
Honorable, now 2021 on the issue of galamsey, Oka say approach a ye yusu say ye pesi di tu ase no emwa but rather kese say conscientize the minds of omo ye involved no omo nyina emwa ye timi etu ase
afetie ni ye omo se me ye becha NPP for we couldn't fight galamsey because majority of executives no we hear galamsey and also woman control a woman platform Israel home then I'm go country ni sir we are more be blame obi me a better said the other me say me call election me say me lose and I really don't care. But I'm not going to work for NPP. That means I will have a catch 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. And now let me talk. I mean, my private self, Mimini Abronye and Kojo platforms in your campaign. Mimini Attachia and Kojo platforms in your campaign. Mimini Adrasapo and Kojo platforms in your campaign. Mimini Mensa and Kojo platforms in your campaign. Mimini KOKA and Kojo platforms in your campaign. You don't put out next year, you see what will happen in this country. You think I'm afraid of you guys? I am not afraid of anybody. I've decided to keep quiet. But if you push me to the wall, you will see some power. Please. Nobody can scare me in this country. Nobody. Better. Oh, God, you know how much propaganda. Parliamentary Select Committee on Health. Ranking member, I can say, Nkura, and you ho. What's now 8 years? Well, who's Nkura? Ebeo. I didn't do the moment here, Canopy. What's now 8 years? Well, who's Nkura? And now we'll be about 15 months again. Who called the Nkura? Mobilantia, my Ghana, you. That the youth of this country. A day will come, they will rise against us. One here, a near my basic Ghana. A BSC or Tunisia, only a thing. It will be a politician, no peace out here. When you scar, Moncoso, Namia Bita. This time, Obia to be a what do you mean? Abronye, who is it? Abronye, me. The man is to come and correct campaign. Or say, Bawumia Kofa Esemni Amana Betuno Mr. Hina Mademano. The man car first. And you know what choosing I no so station. Masada Mighty. Munya me say from June 2027 NPP for no action Ghana, you will be surprised. And what I am not afraid of any human being. Nobody can intimidate me in this country. We will speak the truth. Anything that is not good for the country, Kennedy Agyapong, I will speak. If it's good for the country, I will speak. If you now could defend the NPP, Mr. Sapo, I respect you a lot. But you can't call me a liar when you don't even have the information. Whoever tell Parliament, I can meet in the please, I respect you. I will land here. But next time, me ferro, only reading in a fermo, a bupa, and please, I urge you, information you and son Wabakasa. And yes, I cry out the first work as a Miss Macasa, Miss Robia, Ewagana, Opiaso Mobra, and Chen. Oh, two crying said, you see, and respect you, not the doer. Who be to say, KOKA, me, your time with you. When even you're better. And before we are ready, they say July 2027, me no more action. Ghana, you'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to come and follow you guys again? I'm stupid?
Honorable.
10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. No wait and see what will happen. It's normal, me catch them, me see me slow happening. Don't wait and see. I've given you the time. Say June 2027, you see action in this country.
Ma yana wase honorable.
Dina ma yenyina no. Tieni. Omunko ready, omunko tie Kenny Rajes. Minimum your friend the gambler. Now omun samu nyansa. Omun ni enti amema yeti. I know when to run and I know when to hit. Omun ni me eba wo mo finish. Now this is miserable. I say Abronye pa won nin sampu Ghana. Menimu obia obetabi. Obi a me feed you. Onye hu ni abato no Ghana. Onye hu Abronye. Now I will deal with him at my own time. Be amabodi di bia Mensa. Opa Mensa no papa in there. And the Kumasi apari. Won jimi anya. Useless people.
Honorable ma yana wase
woka. No kwabena na woka. Moral right be na woka na di ohina Japan. What they come from military hospital ho asem. Defense and Interior Committee awo mayim na sobjafie na we chairperson. Ya brewo opani ya brewo. Now we chairperson. Defense and Interior Committee or mayim na sobjafie. I am military hospital. And to time as committee channel then also yeah. What time as committee chair NPP na na tie akonya so e den na wotimi ye as committee chairman me ka na da hodo about for hospital me ka na da hodo wo de on person obi a hu sa wo na wo ye wonya hu azano ma trikeche e na wo ye I'm telling you
say anya wo te ba na bi ni mpansa
sa na trikeche no sabe e ba jimi fo bre
107.3
Sam omre no na wote so wodo ho Kennedy Agyapong bibia keka no e bagimi bretwam
yensuro nipa buni
party no so nchen NPP Kennedy Agyapong won so nchen NPP wo obi kwan kese osuye nyansa
odi nkwasi asem so e be ka kire wo
Sammy ko gyina ye no kra mi lusu ye ya nto amame ye bo femfram bre champon kra wo bon ho modin chen wo
ne ka na da hodo.
And to you be a sober reflection. Tell not doing it. Again, MPP Nyamao. Contract by na wunya ye wo Kennedy Agyapong. Opa ma Kennedy Agyapong mrabon te meka say MPP man contract bia. Wo yire wunya ya ma wo yire. Onu kwanya contract. Street lights.
Oh, the whole bad the whole brutal.
Peter ma wo time. Any the contract na ma Kennedy Agyapong ne yire.
Oh, the whole bad.
Na de won kon wo party no. ye won krofo a enye bibia ne sika wo ye won krofo a sabe NPP o ma sum omu nya kapre omu nya dama omu ma bonten mekasa. You are talking too much. Kasa ne ya doso. Ba so kra de o say 2027 and mekasa pa o ka kire wan. Party na e so stamp authority.
Jenia kasa.
NPP National Executives as almost stamp authority Jeff Kenom Masa Munsare Munya Husam no Munya Kwasi Asam no na mon country Kennedy Agyapong mo ba suspend na mo suspend mo pam na mo pam no
Etumpa
adwe woni tim nya adwen papa abura dwene na woni tim
Udi Kwasi Asam so e be ka kire wo
to ba wi na mnim say wasesa
Jenia kasa
but on sesa ye
yensuro nipa
adwene woni tim no nya adwen pa
yensuro nipa buni
oya aburo adwene woni tim oya selfish politician. I'm telling you today
Etumpa
Kennedy Agyapong a selfish politician. It is a mom in China and you.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
And Yamia, more be anya.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole
Mammy Sano. Want to be a BBA party move. Ni vote here back, me vote here back, who vote here back, 1 10 will be a 1 2 votes 100.
Okay, we know one just here, I want a headache.
Now, some who were in there to 2 party. Now, who chairman committee and interior and defense committee or my embassy of you chairman for the hospital crano unim who asem unim who abakosem wabon
born a castle mountain.
Nanya NDC for about even NDC for now about me can say I 90% complete 98% complete and 2 year committee chairman then now king kan then now king kan who blame one people? Who ye will be and can we a good honest politician? What catcher was a men and me ye committee chairman. Men to me and I'm a young ye Ghana from Fanchami, then we can sympathize with you.
Sheniakasa.
Benjamin Timaki can say Munu.
You bomwa, no crane decay.
You bomwa, no crane decay. Yes, our birthday donation now quiet and if one anom koi meeting. And you're to Bonsunum. And you're the best for an anom koi meeting. Who are the best? Who are Bema? Who are boss? Who are Cocodro? Brown to my mamma saying, you know, best in a me pen PPB.
Sheniakasa.
But in my me MPP, me cannot cry to the Ghana for no crime and I cannot cry. We are honest person. We are honest person. We are patriotic citizen.
107.3.
No, we yes, so some who so party names are now mamma forbidden some who.
Okay, we know one just here, I want a headache.
Akoba, in some who yard does one people. Palafoko and suspended. Kwabena Agyapong and suspended. A whole chairman, a whole secretary. Now who is Kennedy Agyapong NPP? Party Baba Power, and any Papa Akufo and the party Baba. Kennedy Agyapong, one no quite to me for party MPP and my power. Alam Kojo Kyeremanteng so bani be no what than a dino. But who for and want to be my out.
Etumpai.
When you name
You bomwa, no crane decay.
I saw a party, may call idea, no decent who are party near Jan, no decent who.
Boy.
Sans who know one castle.
I think on this.
Tell Kennedy Agyapong, son in some who know one castle, and yes, I contracted the man and no more year one people know. Some of us, yes, you walk in Clat Tower, you're back in Canning in Natural. But I mean, slow.
Who do you quasi asem so e be catch no?
I have some to be a who can want to sabi. But catcher no nyai sans who know. Party na me no one case MPP me no. Na one call. Ala na from talk we wako.
107.3.
Asase pono no.
Afrafanto 2 year petre afrafanto or hin.
Ewurade Nyankopon.
Wapem.
Sheniakasa.
Canada want to be Yaman Painu or Ghana. That's the gospel truth. Hard truth. Want to be Yaman Painu or Ghana. Because when you're honest.
Okay, we know one just here, I want a headache.
Ghana. I'm telling you, Akraba, Kennedy can never be a president in Ghana. Ahoya, and they couldn't because Bawumia be tuned, you know. One pebble with me, I said, you know, Ubedi sem who be same. But the Yamian was Rano. Hey, Yamina is Rano. And Yanipa, a Yame, and I said, Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. So leave it. Ya didn't call one to me, Yabasa did not call. This one was Caswa.
NPP 4, we couldn't fight galamsey because majority of executives in no we galamsey and also woman control a woman platform. Misro home. Then I'm good country nisa. We are more be blame obi. Me a better. Me a better said the other. Me say me call election. Me say me lose. And I really don't care. But I'm not going to work for NPP. That means I will have a 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. And now let me talk. I mean, my private said, Mimini Abronye and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Attachia and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Adrastapo and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Mensa and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini KOKA and Kojina platforms in your campaign. You don't put out next year, you see what will happen in this country. You think I'm afraid of you guys? I am not afraid of anybody. I've decided to keep quiet. But if you push me to the wall, you will see some power. Please. Nobody can scare me in this country. Nobody. Better. Propaganda. Parliamentary Select Committee on Health. Ranking member, I can say Nkura and you what's now 8 years ago. Well, who's Nkura at the bow? I didn't do the moment here. What's now 8 years? Well, who's Nkura? And now we'll be about 15 months again. Who called the Nkura? My Ghana, you that the youth of this country, a day will come, they will rise against us. One here, and you may be Ghana. A BSC was Tunisia, only a thing. And we are politicians now, peace out here. When you scar, Moncoso, Namia Bita. This time, better said me, I'm a Bediatuo. What do you mean? Abronye, who is it? Abronye, me? The money is coming to campaign. Or say, Bawumia, Kofa, Sammy, I'm not the Tuno, which I said, I'm the man. Man, car first. And you know what choosing I also was stationed. Masada Mighty. Me say from June 2027, NPP for no action or Ghana, you will be surprised.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.